We're going to use double stops to help us learn the string crossing. Except we're going to isolate the notes in the third position. So let's find our third position notes here. And I won't go over it again, all over again, but remember our finger flexibility. I talked about that in the last video before the previous two loops. But we're really going to use the same action here on the right hand. We're just changing here what we're doing in the third position. But it is worth noting the barring, which I didn't mention in the other one. In the first position, I'm barring with my fourth finger, right? Here in third position, I have the luxury of, because the barred notes are on the bottom, okay, I just leave my first finger barred, and I talked about this earlier when we were doing double stop practice in an earlier video, but I'm just gonna do the descending here. And important to this exercise is make sure you have both strings in there equally, okay? Yes, you're trying to teach your hand not to go too far, not to overreach here on the string crossing, but you do have to go far enough to get a great sound, right? We want to get a good tone. We have to have that bottom string or whatever that next string is, okay? So that's descending, and then we're going to do the ascending notes. Remember, elbow up, fingers flexed, hearing both notes equally. Make sure you do them both the ascending, ascending, and descending, both ways to really learn that string crossing a lot. Now, why do we do all these separate? I have 4 separate loops for this. Well, I'm isolating descending notes in first position, then I'm isolating ascending notes in first position, then I'm isolating descending notes in third position, then isolating ascending notes in third position. And by separating out these different motions, these different actions, I can really make my practice efficient. I can really make my learning much more efficient, all right? Have fun with these next 2 loops, and I'll see you in the next one.